ventricles, third, and then fourth, and then just everything else in between. I don't know.
Okay. So the pink is indicating choroid plexus, which all the ventricles have, typically in the roof. There's your tube that exits. What's it called?
It's
Ventricular?
ventricular. Okay.
Ventricles.
Interventricular foramen.
I picked foramen. Yep. So each one of the lateral ventricles has an interventricular foramen. Essentially, cerebrospinal fluid is like gravity directed from each lateral ventricle into the third ventricle. And notice that this model has a hole there because the thalamus sits on either side of your third ventricle. Some people have that piece of tissue that connects both lobes of the thalami, the interthalamic adhesion, also called intermediate mass. So there, from that place, from third ventricle, the cerebrospinal fluid flows down this structure, which is most commonly called the cerebral aqueduct.
In our notes is the aqueduct of the midbrain. Is that okay?
Yep. And there's a person's name attached to it. So whichever one's easier to memorize. Aqueduct of the midbrain, the cerebral aqueduct, the most common. And after that, it enters this chamber, which is the fourth ventricle, located between the
pons and the cerebellum.
pons and the cerebellum. That's where you find the fourth ventricle. That's it.
Now, I just need to know